we are kicking off our show this morning from a local State Farm agent in Canyon City.
That's right. We're learning how this agency is helping protect families for We Are Royal Gorge Region.
We are Royal Gorge Region this week here on Fox 21 and Loving Living Local. So today we're sharing with you about Dennis Podzemny Insurance Agency. We've got the man, the myth, the legend. Dennis is here with us today to share a little bit more about the insurance company and how they are here for you right here in Canyon City. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm awesome. Thanks for coming down.
I'm excited. We've been a couple places here in Canyon City and everyone's just like so nice and just loving that we're out here.
Yes, we enjoy it. I remember 3 years ago when you did it, and I didn't get involved then, but I figured this year we're going to do it.
You're like, hey, I want Krista and Ray to come out here, teach us a little bit more about your insurance agency, and share with everybody why they should be going with Dennis, right?
That's it.
All right, so let's kind of go into your insurance agency, what you guys are all about.
So we're a local State Farm agent. Community is a big portion of what we do, serving the community. And I'll tell everybody, it's all about service. We've got to provide quality service. All of my team members are fully licensed, so they're knowledgeable about the business, and they're here to help people when you call in. One thing that sets us apart on insurance is we educate you about your insurance, what it does for you, what the coverage is. And when people walk away, I've had some people that are my age, that walk away saying, I've never sat down with an insurance agency that does that for us.
Yeah.
I feel so much better about this place now. I'm gonna make that change. And when we educate them, they know what they're covering or what their coverage is and what they're getting for their insurance versus, I don't know. So that's what we try to do. It's a little bit different, but we take the time to go over everything with them when we set up their insurance. So.
All right, Dennis, so talk to me a little bit about these services that you're able to offer these clients here in Canyon.
We try to be a trusted resource for all of our customers. We help walk them through, like I said, we do the education, walk them through their insurance processes, what their coverage is and what we're covering, and the properties, the family, everything. One of the most important things we do here is insure you the things you care about most. To me, your family is more important than your house or your car. So
they're irreplaceable.
That's right. Families are not. But we do have home insurance, auto, commercial insurance. We have health supplement products. We have life insurance, which is very important. We have annuities to make sure that the families are secure, financially secure, I should say. And in a crisis, if something happens, you know that the financial side of it's there to help you with that crisis portion. And with our annuities, you can have a lifetime income during retirement. So we're covering a little bit of everything.
I was going to say, I feel like you're like the umbrella and every little branch is right underneath you.
we have umbrellas for people. And, people don't always understand what an umbrella is, but we do have an umbrella policy that does cover everything for you.
See? So you're really there for the person, really there for the people.
We are, because without people, we don't have a business, so we've got to make sure to keep them happy. And you know, I'm not going to say we're not perfect. We never, some people want us to be, but we're not always perfect, but we'll.
But you're there to listen too.
Yes.
So if somebody has an issue, you're there to be like, hey, talk to me about it. Let's walk through it together.
Yes, and we will help them with that. And like I say, when there's a claim, there's a problem. Always a problem with claims. It's because people don't understand what the coverage is, what it's going to do for them. And that's what we're here for, is to help them through that process.
I do like the fact that you talk about the educational part about it too, because like, you know, what people say is sometimes they have insurance, it doesn't even feel like they do, but you're there to help them walk through of like, this is what you're actually covered on.
Yes, because, you know, I have full coverage insurance, but it doesn't cover that. And that's what we've got to make them understand. You've got to get everything to get full coverage.
All right, Dennis, if somebody wants to maybe look into a little bit more about your insurance agency, maybe get in contact with you, see if you guys can help them with either their whole umbrella program or maybe just a little bit here and there, how do they get in contact with you?
You know, we're out there, we have our insurance.com website, but in the community, again, community is a big portion, if you go to Safeway, King Supers, I'm on every shopping cart there is. So
Oh, yeah?
my information is there. A couple of restaurants in town, I'm on their tables. So you'll see me there, and golf course. So all my information is readily available to them. Just give me a call.
Do you get people that call you? You're like, I saw your face on a bench, so
They
I
do.
gave you a call.
They do. They do that. I saw you at the grocery store.
Yes.
I saw you here. You know, it's funny, but it pays off.
Oh,
in
yeah.
the long run.
And you're able to help more people that way.
That's right. That's it.
All right, well, Dennis, we're going to stick with you a little bit longer, learn a little bit more about what you are doing in the community, how you're really getting involved here, and why you're going to want to be using Dennis's insurance company here in Canyon City.
And a special thanks to Dennis Podzemny Insurance Agency for sponsoring this segment for We Are Royal Gorge.